Good morning, Namaste, Pranam to all brothers and sisters. I am Dr. Divakaran Cochin. My subject is medical science and astrology. Today I am going to speak about the secrets of prognostication of diseases. We are not far away from the date when DNA chips will allow us to assess our own inherited predisposing for certain diseases. Almost all diseases are parental or hereditary. We will eat those choice foods which will be guided by the software people, differ in their genetics and metabolism. One diet won't fit all. One will be able to track the metabolism day to day to determine what food does one should eat at a given time. I am sure by 2030 AD it would be possible to eliminate many diseases with the proper diet. We fall sick mainly for improper food. Food is the main medicine. Medically, astrology is a very vast subject. Even entire life dedication in astrology is not enough to tell this type of disease. That is, a particular native will suffer with 100% accuracy. It is because nature does not want to reveal its game plan so easily. Our nature, the plants on the nature, all are medicines. The sun is the greatest physician on earth. Sun can cure many diseases. Many new diseases appear which creates havoc. The, the yoga can also control diseases. Yogas for all types of diseases. Framed by seers of yore for benefit of mankind. Forewarned is forearmed. So if anybody knows the type of disease he is likely to suffer, he will definitely take precaution to avoid it. By consuming choicest food, we can overcome many diseases. The the Yoga Shastra, Mantra Shastra, and Tantra Shastra, and the vegetables which can prevent many diseases. Take all colored fruits, fresh vegetables, curd, fish, avoid saturated fatty acids such as dalda, ghee, and some bitter foods like neem or karela. It is possible to live 80 years. Our human beings has got the age of 120. Human beings and elephant, cross, crocodile have the age of 120. But anyway, we are not able to reach that age. The Balarishtada Alpayur, Madhyayur, Dirghayur, Paramar. At the time of birth, what kind of disease will be occur and what are they we can find through the chart of the birth chart. Diseases you remove constipation, which is the grandmother of all diseases. Dashas of highly malefic planets generates diseases. Most of the diseases are created by the food. The people, the food habit also creates disease. Those who are taking one-time meal is good for health. One-time food is taking yogi. Two times food is bhogi. Three times taking food is rogi. Three or more times food is drohi to the society. The Vimshottari Dasha also be considered. The sixth house is mainly created the diseases. അരാതി രോഗാത്യം അരാതിനാഥോ മൃതീശ്വരോ മൃത്യു ഭയങ്കരോതി ഷഷ്ടം ദ്വാദശമഷ്ടമഞ്ചമുനയോ ഭാവാനാമനുഷ്ഠാനിതോ. ആറാം ഭാവത്തിൽ നിൽക്കുന്നതായ ഗ്രഹങ്ങൾ ഇവയോട് ബന്ധപ്പെട്ടാണ് രോഗങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടാകുന്നത്. ആറാം ഭാവാധിപൻ ലഗ്നത്തിലും ലഗ്നാധിപൻ ബലഹീനനായിട്ട് ആറിലൊക്കെ നിൽക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ആ വ്യക്തിക്ക് തുടരെ രോഗമുണ്ടാകുവാനായിട്ട് ഇടവരും. ആ രോഗം എന്തിനോട് ബന്ധപ്പെട്ടാണ് എന്ന് നമുക്ക് ലഗ്നത്തിന് ബലമുണ്ടായിരിക്കുക, ചന്ദ്രന് ബലമുണ്ടായിരിക്കുക, അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ നമ്മുടെ വ്യാഴം സർവേശ്വരകാരകനായ വ്യാഴം ബലവാനായിരിക്കുക, സൂര്യൻ ജാതകത്തിൽ ബലവാനായിരിക്കുക, ആ വ്യക്തി ആരോഗ്യവാനായിട്ട് 120 വയസ്സ് വരെ ജീവിക്കും. അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ ജാതകത്തിലുള്ള യോഗങ്ങൾ, അമാനുഷ്യ യോഗങ്ങൾ, ദീർഘായുർ യോഗങ്ങൾ ഇതെല്ലാം ആയുസ്സിനെ പ്രദാനം ചെയ്യുന്നു. When Lagnadhipati Lagnesh is posted in any enemy camp and afflicted, Lagna is also afflicted. One enjoys a miserable life on this planet Earth. Aspects of Jupiter in Lagna is the blessings of God. Experiences of disease is a sad memory. Whence come those mysterious influences which change our happiness into discouragement and our subconfidence into differences. One might almost say the invisible air is full of unknown conjunction of evil planet. Sun, Mars, Saturn, Rahu and Ketu in Kendra, and the 2nd, 11th, 6th, 8th, 12th houses produces severe health hazard. Conjunction of Venus with Ketu, Mars, Sun, Saturn or Rahu produces loose character in the certain sensitive houses. 2nd, 4th, 7th, 8th and 12th. 4th is the happiness, the place where happiness. 4th house is benefic planets, and the 4th lord is in the Kendra or Trigona. The person is getting happiness throughout his life period. For a strong health, lord of the Lagna should be stronger than 6th lord and 4th lord. 4th house should be strong. Retrograde planets increases longevity in trines quadrant, benefits planets. So the Lagna lord is powerful, Jupiter is powerful, the Manokaraka, Dekakaraka, Raktakaraka, Madarkaraka, moon also be powerful and in the Kendra. The Venus Jupiter sub period of 3 and also Venus also powerful. In the Lagna or Lagna Kendra, Jupiter, Mercury or Venus, the person will get long life. Thank you very much. If you like my subject, please subscribe it and the bell button switch on. I'll come tomorrow with other subjects.